Welcome back to Ramna Sir Physics channel. How are you all? The last class we discussed about friction. In laws of motion, friction topic we discussed. Okay, the continuation part. So most important topic is what? Inclined plane. Laws of motion, friction topics. Okay, inclined planes. In that, smooth inclined planes also there, rough inclined planes also there. Motion of bodies on smooth inclined plane and rough inclined plane, and relation between. So for example, body is sliding down on smooth inclined plane, same inclination angle. Okay, so the body is sliding down on rough inclined plane. It takes how much time? So these all, okay, so we'll discuss in this class. Okay. First of all, inclination angle means what? Angle of repose means what? Okay, normal reaction for inclined plane. We observed in the last classes. On horizontal plane, the normal reactions we observed. The normal reactions are balanced by weight of the body. Okay, weight of the body vertically downward mg means the normal reaction acted vertically upward. Both are balanced at equilibrium position, n equal to mg. But in this case, on inclined planes, okay, so normal reaction does not balanced by mg. Okay, why? So we'll discuss now. Here you can observe inclination angle means what? What is inclination angle? So here this is one inclined plane. Okay, this is horizontal plane. So between the angle, so whatever the angle is there, okay, horizontal plane and inclined plane, the between the angle, so that angle is called what? Inclination angle or angle of inclination. Okay, so this height is how much? Say height is h, the height of the, okay, that inclined plane, you say h, and length of the inclined plane we can say L. Length of the inclined plane is L. So here now this body inclined plane, so is gradually increase the inclined plane. What happened at a particular time? So whatever the body, so on the inclined plane, so it ready to start. Okay, and more increase inclined plane, what happened? Body slides on the inclined plane. Here angle of repose means whenever the angle of inclination is gradually increasing time, what happened? At a particular angle of inclination, the body tends to move, means ready to move. So that angle is called what? Angle of repose. That, okay, so is called what? Angle of repose. Angle of repose is denoted by symbol what? Alpha. So here, for example, here this theta is less than alpha, so body does not move. Okay, body at rest only. So body at rest only. Okay, if, okay, theta is equal to alpha, so what happened? Body tends to move, ready to move. Okay, that meaning is what? Body tends to move. Okay, so next one, if theta is greater than alpha, so means what happened? Body slides. Okay, body slides on the plane. Body slides. So I think you understood angle of repose means what. So that is nothing but at a particular angle, body ready to move on inclined plane. Body does not move but tends to move, ready to move. Okay, that angle is called what? Angle of repose. Okay, so here theta is less than 1, angle of inclination is less than alpha. So that time, okay, what happens? Body at rest only, in equilibrium position only. When body, okay, inclination angle is, okay, gradually increase at a particular angle, what happened? Body, okay, ready to move. So the time is what? Angle of inclination equal to angle of repose. Next, if angle theta is, okay, angle of inclination more increase, what happened? Body slides. So the time alpha, okay, theta value more than alpha. Okay, in this case we can observe the weight of the body. So what happened? Acts vertically downwards, that is mg. Okay, here mg is not balanced by normal reaction n. You can observe downward force is not equal to upward force, but this mg is resolved into two rectangular components, mg cos theta and mg sin theta. The horizontal component is mg cos theta, vertical is mg sin theta. Now this normal reaction at equilibrium position, okay, so at equilibrium position what happened, normal reaction is balanced by mg cos theta. So this is the mg sin theta. For rough surface purpose, okay, so the frictional force acts against, so that time what happened that time, so F frictional force is balanced by mg sin theta. So we'll discuss in the, okay, smooth inclined plane, rough inclined plane. So just this is the definition for angle of repose. Okay, now we'll start. Smooth inclined plane, motion of the bodies on smooth inclined plane. You can observe here. Okay, so when body is at rest, okay, body is at rest, the angle of inclination is say theta. The inclined plane angle of inclination is say theta. So the body of mass is how much, m. Body of mass is m. So body which is at rest, initially at rest, length of the inclined plane is how much, l. The height of the plane is how much, h. Okay, here you can observe, so this inclined plane name also I am giving AB inclined plane. So body is sliding down on, okay, AB inclined plane. This surface is, okay, purely smooth surface. Now body is at equilibrium position. Equilibrium position means what? This theta is angle of inclination is less than alpha. That time body is at rest. Now you can observe here, the weight of the body acts vertically downward, that is what, mg. Normal reaction is always perpendicular to the plane, that is n. So this mg is resolved into two rectangular components. One is what, mg cos theta, another one is what, mg sin theta. Mg cos theta, mg sin theta. Here body is, okay, so increase the inclination angle. So when theta is greater than alpha, so what happened, body slides on the inclined plane. So that time what happened, that time theta is sliding down, okay, the body is sliding down on inclined plane. So that time what happened, that time the resultant force is acting downward direction. Okay, so that time resultant force F equal to, so force direction, what quantities are there, mg sin theta is there, mg sin theta. Here this is pure smooth plane, that is why here against frictional force is not there. So you can write frictional force not there na, Fr is frictional force, Fk, or body is sliding, okay, Fk is 0, body, okay, frictional force is not there. Why? Because smooth inclined plane, if any frictional force is there against, you can take Fr, or rolling body means Fr, sliding body means Fk, you can take. Okay, here the resultant force formula is what, in smooth inclined plane. If they ask smooth inclined plane, the body of mass they'll give, and angle of inclination they'll give, g value if they'll give, okay, so we have to take that value. If not given, 9.8 meter per second square you have to take. Okay, so here, okay, angle of inclination also they'll give na, so we have to substitute. That time resultant force on the body will get. So like that only, if acceleration, if they are asking acceleration, so what to do, acceleration purpose, F equal to what, ma. So but F equal to ma, F equal to what, ma. Substitute here, instead of F, ma equal to what, mg sin theta, ma equal to what, mg sin theta. Here gets cancelled, a equal to what, g sin theta. The acceleration of the body formula is what, a equal to g sin theta. Remember these all formulas. On smooth inclined plane, the resultant force on the body, mg sin theta. Acceleration of the body is what, a equal to g sin theta. So like that only the last question. Okay, so we are allowing, so freely falling this one. Okay, so initial velocity is 0 we are taking. So while reaching the bottom, it consists of final velocity. While reaching this body at bottom, okay, so it consists the final velocity. What will be the final velocity? The last question. What will be the final velocity? Okay, what will be the final velocity? So we'll discuss in this final velocity. Okay, so what we can take final velocity? So here u is 0 only we are taking now. Initial velocity is 0 we are taking. Okay, the length of the plane is what? The displacement. So that only length of the plane. So that is L I am taking. Okay, the body is moving downward. So that time acceleration, just now we got how much we got? A equal to G sin theta. So G sin theta taking. Okay, so then V value I am finding. Okay, V value I am finding final velocity of the body. So from equations of motion, V square minus U square equal to 2as formula. V square minus U square equal to what? 2as formula. I am substituting. Observe here V square only minus U is what? 0. 0 square is equal to 2 into A is how much? G sin theta and S is how much? L. V square equal to, here 0 square is 0 only. Okay, is equal to 2G. This L I am writing before 2G L into sin theta. Here V equal to what? Under root 2GL sin theta. Both the sides square roots I am taking. How much we got? 2GL sin theta. So this is the final velocity on smooth inclined plane body. Okay, so V equal to what? 2GL sin theta. The last question, what is time of ascent? Okay, time of descent here. Body is sliding down. Okay, how much time it will take from top to bottom reaching purpose? Okay, so we'll see from formula V equal to U plus AT formula will take. Okay, equations of motion, first equation is what? V equal to U plus AT. In that I am substituting. Okay, V. So just now V value we got, how much we got? Under root 2GL into sin theta is equal to U is what? Freely falling 0 only, plus A is what? Just now we taken. A is how much? G sin theta into T. Here under root 2GL sin theta is equal to G into sin theta into T. T equal to what? Under root. Okay, so this one also in under root only I am writing total. This is already under root is there 2GL sin theta, 2GL sin theta by. So this one I am sending to inside the root. So that time squares I will take. So what happened that time? Yeah, G square sin square theta. Here one G gets cancelled, one sin theta gets cancelled. So what will be the answer? 2L by G sin theta. 2L by G sin theta. So this is the time formula under root 2L by G sin theta. Here another form also you can write this time 2L by G sin theta is there na? So another form also from the figure you can observe sine function sin theta equal to what? Sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is what? H. Hypotenuse is what? L. H equal to what? L sin theta. H equal to L sin theta. So here instead of L what we can write? H by sin theta. Instead of L we can write H by sin theta. L equal to what? H by sin theta. Substitute here what happened? H by, okay, L equal to what? L equal to, we can write H by sin theta. So that time under root 2 into H by G. Okay, what we can write? Sin theta already is there. Sin square theta you can write. So this is the time, okay, to reach the bottom purpose on smooth inclined plane. Okay, equation or formula. For example, body is sliding up. Okay, Sliding down we discussed. Sliding up, body is sliding up. So with initial velocity is what? U. Okay, so after reaching certain height, okay, after reaching certain distance, body final velocity comes to 0. The body final velocity comes to 0. Okay, the last question, what will be the distance? Okay, how much distance travel after reaching, how much distance body, okay, comes to rest? The last question. So that time what will be the formula? So from equations of motion, third equation I am taking from v square minus u square equal to what? 2as. V square minus u square equal to what? 2as. Here v is final velocity 0 and after traveling certain distance, minus u is u only, is equal to, okay, here acceleration of the body. Okay, so just now we discussed what? 2 into minus g sin theta. Why? Because body is going upward, so that is why minus g sin theta. The length, how much distance traveled, so that I am taking L, I am taking. Okay, minus u square equal to what? Minus 2gl sin theta. Okay, minus 2gl sin theta. Here minus minus gets cancel. Okay, so here L equal to how much we can take? U square by g sin theta. You can take u square by g sin theta. Okay, u square by 2g sin theta you can take. How much you can take? Minus minus gets cancelled. Length L equal to u square by 2g sin theta you can take. So u square by 2g sin theta you can take. Okay, so next, if they ask how much time it will take to reach up, okay, the time is how much? After how much time, after traveling how much time it comes to rest? From formula v equal to u plus at formula. Okay, v is what? 0, u is u only, a is what? Minus g sin theta into t. Here minus g sin theta I am sending this side, it becomes plus g sin theta into t is equal to u. Therefore t equal to what? U by g sin theta. After traveling u by g sin theta, okay, seconds, body comes to rest. So these are the smooth inclined plane topics. Okay, so at the same time, okay, rough inclined plane also there. Okay, rough inclined plane also there. Based on this smooth inclined plane, so I'll give one question how they'll ask. Please once you check. The question is, a body allowed to slide from the top along a smooth inclined plane of length 5 meters at angle of inclination 30 degrees if g equal to 10 meter per second square. Time taken by the body to reach the bottom of the plane is. They are saying smooth inclined plane. Okay, so at the bottom to reach purpose, okay, how much time it will take, they are asking. Just now we observed time. Okay, t equal to how much? 2l by g sin theta. Here t equal to under root 2 into the length of the plane is given. How much given? Okay, length of the plane is given. So 5 meters and 5 meters by g value 10 given and angle of inclination is how much? 30 degrees given. T equal to how much? 2 5 are 10 to 10 sin 30 value how much? 1 by 2. 10 cancel, these 2 goes to numerator, that is root 2. So t equal to root 2 means how much? 1.414 seconds. Which option is correct? So it is very clear, second option is correct. Okay, next problem you can take on screen. A block slides down a slope of an angle theta with constant velocity. It is the projected up with velocity 10 meter per second, g value 10 meter per second square. Okay, theta equal to 30 degrees, the maximum distance it can go up plane before coming to stop. So here this is smooth inclined plane only. Okay, so what they are saying, so before coming to rest, stopping distance they are asking. For smooth inclined plane just now we taken. Okay, So what is the formula? U square by 2g sin theta. S equal to the initial velocity given. How much given? 10. So 10 square, 10 meter per second given, 10 square into 2, g value they only given, okay, 10, and theta value, so angle of inclination given. So how much given? Angle of inclination is 30 degrees given here. Sin 30 value how much? 1 by 2. Take 2 gets cancel. 10 square is what? 100 by 10. Okay. So cancel. What is the distance? 10 meters. Okay. So here these are the smooth inclined plane cases. So next, okay, in the part we'll discuss about the rough inclined plane. So most important, rough inclined plane. Okay, so here if you like this class, please share this video to your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.